Today, we're going to practice in this video the sound of Z. Repeat after me. Z, 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 Z. In zoo. Again, zoo. Zone. Again, zone. Zoom. Again, zoom. Zero. Again, zero. Zip. Again, zip. Zebra. Again, zebra. Zipper. Again, zipper. Zinc. Again, zinc. Zombie. Again, zombie. What other words have initial sound Z? Z. In puzzle. Again, puzzle. Dozen. Again, dozen. Frozen. Again, frozen. Amazing. Again, amazing. Magazine. Again, magazine. Brazil. Again, Brazil. Apologizing. Again, apologizing. Organization. Again, organization. Lizard. Again, lizard. What other words have middle sound Z? Z. In buzz. Again, buzz. Amaze. Again, amaze. Apologize. Again, apologize. Maze. Again, maze. Breeze. Again, breeze. Blaze. Again, blaze. Bronze. Again, bronze. Organize. Again, organize. Freeze. Again, freeze. What other words have final sound Z? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Zip your lip. Again, zip your lip. Zippy and jazzy. Again, zippy and jazzy. Zigzag road. Again, zigzag road. Urban zone. Again, urban zone. Number zero. Again, number zero. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Zoe is going to the zoo on Saturday. Again, Zoe is going to the zoo on Saturday. Zenny won the prize. Again, Zenny won the prize. I heard a buzz. Again, I heard a buzz. There are many zebras in Africa. Again, there are many zebras in Africa. He pretended to zip a zipper across his lips. Again, he pretended to zip a zipper across his lips. Today, we're just practicing this video the sound of Z. Repeat after me. Z. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.